Good evening, friends. Last week we discussed the effect of a combo of indicators, how the combo of indicators help us take a trade. Today, I'm not going to discuss much. I'm just going to present the combo of the same 10 indicators for all the 50 Nifty shares. All the 50 Nifty shares, how they move, which are the ones where we can enter and which are the ones are avoidable, or where we can go long and where we can go short. That is what I am going to show you. Have a look at it and let us see if it's going to help us. Thank you. I will just show you the indicators, and you see these indicators. First column is name, second column is the closing price of the share, third column is super trend, fourth is ADX, next is Vortex Index 14, histogram, PSR, Keltner, Bollinger Band, RSI, ultimate oscillator, 5-day moving average, and finally the total of all these 10 indicators. If you see wherever all the 10 indicators total is in red, those shares are negative. They are more in downtrend, and as it keeps moving every day up and down, we can take our position accordingly. We have started. I have given 10 or so shares a page. Have a look at it. See, this is from Britannia to HDFC Bank. Next page is from HDFC Life Insurance to Kotak Bank, and L&T to SBI Life, and lastly SBI Bank to Wipro. All these 50 shares, by looking at the individual indicators and finally the total of the combo of these indicators, we can decide whether we should go long or short. I'm not going to waste more time on this. If you have any doubt, get back to me. You have my number. Feel free to call whatever doubt you have. Thank you. Bye-bye.